Hi there, I'm Steve Boyko. Welcome to my layout. In this video, we will be switching the CN portion of Georgetown. This will be the final CN train, or the final train for that matter, on this portion of the layout. After I finish this switching to remove all of the cars that are here in Georgetown, I will dismantle this part of the layout. I have been considering this for a long time, and the reason why I am doing it, there's a couple of reasons. But basically, the layout's not working for me, so it's time to start again. So I will be removing most of the layout, if not all of it. I haven't quite decided that part yet, but we'll start with removing Georgetown. So let's get the CN train moving and pick up some cars. We're looking at the Winnipeg yard with CN 5610 ready to go. We're going to have a short work train, just a locomotive and a caboose, and they will be running to Georgetown and picking up all of the cars. The presence of the caboose complicates things a little bit, but that's the way things were done back then, to have a caboose. And it shouldn't be too complicated because the moves are all trailing point moves, so it should not be anything complicated for switching. So let's get this started. Notice the blinding LED lights on this locomotive. Also notice how dirty my track is. So the first order of business is to run around the caboose and then start picking up cars. Now I've dropped off the caboose, and now we can gingerly ease out onto the edge of the track. I'm not entirely sure if the locomotive still has power, but the lights are on, so I guess it's still okay. Now we go into the siding and run around. No, she doesn't want to go. So I'm back. I'm not sure why this track is dead, but it has something to do with the wiring, which I'm not going to worry about since I'm ripping it out anyway. But notice when the switch is lined for the siding here, no power. But when I line it for the main, power. So it's probably something to do with this track here that is causing a problem, but I'm not going to worry about it because, as I said, I'm going to be ripping out all this track anyway. So, off we go. Here we are at the other end of the siding, coming onto the main. And then here, we need to inch forward just a little bit, and then we'll go pick up the car out of the Irving oil spur. We'll line it and lock it, and we'll hope that we don't stall on the curve, because that is a distinct possibility since that track has not seen a train in a while. Here we come in for the couple. Good. And here's where we stall on the dirty track. Now we've lined the track for the main again and locked the switch, and we're ready to go pick up the other cars. More dirty track. Here we are tiptoeing down the elevator track to pick up the two green cars. Once they're ready, we'll come back on the main and then back up onto the caboose that you saw there. And that will be the end of all the cars in Georgetown. Switch is lined and locked for the main. Time to back up onto the caboose. At this point, we need to do a full brake test because all of these cars have been all assembled. So the conductor will walk along, connect all the air hoses, and perform a full brake test. So that will take several minutes. Now that the brake test is complete, the last CN train to visit Georgetown is leaving. Here it is coming into Winnipeg. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and visit my website, traingeek.ca. Thanks.